Hi, welcome to CharQuest. I'm Kaushik. Well, this video is basically for those who have got an entrepreneurial ability to start something on their own, but still they want to be an effective manager. Well, it is quite contradictory, because if you really want to become an entrepreneur, then there's no point joining in an organization and then being a good manager. When you go for any such interview, and there could be a question that have you ever given a thought of starting your own enterprise or venture? It's a very valid question. Because when you have got good entrepreneurial abilities or you have a family background which actually is of a businessman, question would definitely come to your way and you better be ready for it. That why don't you feel of joining your dad's business, or else why don't you start something on your own? Because in your blood you have got business. The question here arises that you have gone for a job. That means you are in need of that job. And now you cannot actually start talking about what you really want to do in life, even probably 10 years down the line if you intend to start your own business. Remember, when you have gone for a job, it is all about you need to prioritize the job, and it is all about that how do you think you are going to be the right candidate for the job. So even if you have got a kind of long-term goal of starting your own business, you should rather not speak that. So if this question comes to your way, you can actually start telling them, yes sir, long time back I had the thought of starting my own enterprise, but later I realized, as I actually started understanding about business, at the same time understanding organizations, I realized that why I wanted to become an entrepreneur, because I wanted to do a lot of things independently. I wanted to develop my skills, I wanted to see the world, at the same time I want to be independent in terms of my working. Also I wanted to work with people, those who are my subordinates and even superiors, or could be supervisors. Now the question arises when one day I realized that why to start my own enterprise when there are some fantastic organization, like of course one an organization of your repute, that if I'm getting an opportunity to serve organizations of repute and on that huge scale, and if I at all get such kind of opportunities what exactly I could have otherwise got through my entrepreneurial abilities, then there is no point starting or thinking of starting my own business. And that's why just 2 or 3 years back I realized there was no concept of starting your own enterprise when whatever you really want to do, and if an organization is able to give you such kind of opportunities. And I feel today I have come here only because I found that all my aspirations or entrepreneurial abilities, what I wanted to nurture, your job profile, what you have offered, at the same time the organization that exactly I have come for, it actually preaches for that, and at the same time it will be giving me all such kind of exposure. So as a result of which now I am very much focused on what exactly I want to do in life, and that's why I really would like to take up this job, because I believe all those things would be met. And to be very honest, I don't have any kind of such intention of starting anything so-called business, and at the same time being an entrepreneur. So in this manner what you have done, you have spoken volume about what exactly you wanted to become and now what you want to become. It is never important that what you really wanted to do before. It's very important that what you want to do now. Because you have come for the interview now, so what you have to speak about that what you want to do now. So in this manner, if you respond to this question, then you will be able to make some good sense that why exactly you want to give up this idea of not being an entrepreneur but being an effective manager. So these are the ways you can handle this question, by exchanging some powerful expressions and by some logical reasoning, and if you do so, you will be able to sail through any interview question like the one I have already shared. To know more about such kind of interview questions and how exactly you can effectively answer them, do visit www.hrquest.com. Thank you.